MTC helped the startup companies to scale by making external manufacturing solutions available to them. The startup companies do not have the internal capacity to manufacture a product at scale. Therefore, the MTC found external partners, local SMEs here in the Midlands, who can manufacture the products of the startup companies.
GetMed is a unique handheld metal detector designed by surgeons for surgeons. It's designed to help in reducing trauma, precise location of metal, for example, Kirschner pins, circlage wires, many of the metals that are used every day in orthopedics. MTC brought in the specific expertise from the manufacturing side, and whereas our device it's handheld, it's small, it's simple compared to huge MRI machines. Here we were able to look at the components of manufacturing, the different processes, and how do you actually work to a model that then helps us scale and actually engage the manufacturing industry.
The critical challenges for an SME, which both Biogen and BG Research are, is the availability of scale-up and production knowledge, as well as know-how in manufacturing. Working with the MTC, what has helped us? Really a huge question. If I had said that we really could not have got to where we've got to today without their support, and that goes for the people, access to technology, feedback, and actually being associated with the MTC has had a lot of positive feedback from stakeholders.
The core team of the MedTech Accelerator signpost those companies to the right partners so then we can work together and pool our knowledge and our experience together to support the companies holistically.
And so at each step of a business's journey, as they bring 1.0 to market, they sell it, they need to iterate that product. And so to help them grow and scale is they're going to need more production. The product is now more mature, it's got some more bells and whistles on it, and it takes them then to that next level. And I think MTC in particular are very well placed in order to manage that step up and that ramp up of growth and scaling.